Hi, I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez, and I'm going to show you how to make Brie crepes. Now we've got some crepe batter that we've already made in advance, which is just egg and flour, a little baking powder, and some salt and pepper. We've got the crepes in here. Don't do this at home. I've got hands made out of leather. So we've poured some in here. Use a crepe pan. You can use any non-stick surface. I'm just using this big electric skillet. So we've got a few crepes already made. And we're going to take our Brie. We're going to cut it into little thin wedges. Okay. So we're going to put our cheese down. Now you can roll the crepe, or you can fold the crepe. It's all up to you and how you want to present it. So we'll go with the folded crepe, have it on a plate, drizzle it with a little honey. Here what we're doing is we're putting the cheese inside the crepe a little bit just to help melt the cheese. So it'll warm up. We're going to fold it over and just let it get nice and warm there. We're going to take our other one, we're going to do the same thing. So you want to make a few of these in advance for your guests, so you have them already ready. I already had the crepes made. Now I'm just putting them in here so that they can get nice and warm and ooey, gooey, and delicious. Get them on your plate, drizzle them with honey. So that's how to make a Brie crepe. Now you don't need to use gorgonzola. You can use any cheese you like. These are especially good if you use gorgonzola and honey. Now, the Brie is a mild cheese, so this is going to be a much milder tasting crepe. It's good as an appetizer. It's good as a main course. It's good for brunch. It's good for breakfast. It's pretty much good anytime. I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez for Demand Media, and this is just too good.